So here's two switch engines, ITS 3452. They're just moving those container cars, they're empty. They're moving them over that way. And then over yonder, there's some train cars and stuff, and there's 4 KCS engines. 3 of them are the red, black, and yellow. 2824, and then the second one. Yeah, and there goes that. There's the KCS, Kansas City Southern. It's 4057, Norfolk Southern 2540, and another Norfolk Southern 2597, and then just a few box cars and some coil cars, and that was it. It's really short. There's backing up in there. Now we're blocked off because that's where we came in. That thing has a weird little horn on it. Okay, well that stopped. I think that switch engine's go down to the end there, and it's gonna attach those cars to that train. It's 3 engines, so I think it's gonna pull a lot. I don't know, they're probably just building it right now, and it's gonna go like west stuff. Now both trains are going backwards. Well, that one's going backwards, that one's going forwards. Now the KCS stopped, and that's just the 2 switch engines, the ITS. honked, and now it's trying to go backwards. There it goes. And here comes this guy. He's on the back of the train. He helped couple them up, and now he's coming over from the front. Well, there goes the switch engine train. It's only 6 cars. And this one's getting ready to leave. All the crew members are going inside of it, and they're fixing up their coolers and getting ready. There goes KCS 4057. I was in that engine. They got me tore around. Norfolk Southern. Yeah, the Norfolk Southern 2540 and then 2597. there goes the end of that KCS train. Now we gotta go for another one, something blocks the